me see you talk your way out of this.
Watch yourself, dog!
Yo, you say...
Most of them are like little ass dicks, so then even at least when someone goes on there, it looks like I got a baby dick. Fucking sucks. Hate it.
This is hella freaky! Oh! That ain't fuck.
That is so fly.
And
Howdy.
this is huge. We just drove a wedge between Bloom and the FBI. The feds need Americans to believe they're working in their best interest. If they're joined at the hip with Dushan, they're gonna